Hey guys, it's your boy here, Yongjin, back at the Olympus Academy with another episode. So first of all, we'll go through the fundamental aspect of what actually happened last week. So last week, the dollar index actually dropped from this level all the way down to 101 level. So what actually happened? The core CPI month on month, which accounts for a majority of overall inflation, dropped from 0.5% to 0.4%. So this could actually lead the central bank to drop interest rates. So the core PPI, which is a leading indicator of consumer inflation, dropped from 0% to negative 0.5%. So it actually showed a decrease in demand for US goods and services. So the core retail sales also dropped 0% to negative 0.8%, which showed that consumers are spending less money on goods and services, resulting in a weaker economy. So last Friday, what happened? This entire bounce back up. What happened? So the FOMC raised its target range for the federal funds rate to 4.75 to 5%, which caused the dollar index to bounce back up towards the 101.600 level. So right now, what actually happened last night? What happened yesterday? So the Empire State Manufacturing Index, which is a leading indicator of economic health, actually improved. So there's a typo here. Improved from negative 24.6 to 10.8. Way better than the forecast of negative 17.7, which actually strengthened the dollar index a lot. So currently, I'm actually looking for price to possibly continue bullish towards the 102.600 level for the dollar index. So next, let's take a look at the Australian dollar. So looking at the Australian dollar, the New Zealand CPI is expected to increase 1.5% from previously 1.4%. What can happen? It can actually cause the New Zealand bank to raise interest rates, and we could see the Australian dollar bounce off this support, which I already marked out, and continue bullish back up towards that resistance level. A break above this level could cause price to continue moving bullish towards the upside. So this on the H4 chart, so you can see the resistance level marked out very nicely. Okay, so that will be it for today. I'm just showing the best possible setups that I'm looking at, which is the Australian dollar for this week. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Like and subscribe to this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.